My Nigerian people, shebi we don tire for all the suffer, killing, hunger and poverty wey don carry executive chair sit down for dis country sotey like no man business. Shebi na me and you don talk am say we tire for all dis yamayama leaders wey their own na to carry taxpayer money, our human and natural resources wey God put for our enjoyment, take am do as dem like, chop clean mouth because wickedness and greed no go let dem do anything better for us. As e be say we don tire so, make we show dem say na we ordinary masses get dis country with our permanent voters cards PVC for dis 2023 election. Make we soak our boot for water, wear am go kick bad egg politicians comot for dis country. Tell dem say our mumu don do. Now INEC don talk say everybody wey still dey wait for their PVC go fit start to collect am from 12th December 2022 to 22nd January 2023 from 9 o'clock in the morning go reach 3 o'clock in the afternoon, including Saturday and Sunday. Make we no wait till e become rush before we go collect our PVC for all the 774 local government offices of INEC nationwide. This na the time for us to take back our country. Carry am give men wey God don ordain to save our land. Vote Peter Gregory Obi for President, Federal Republic of Nigeria, and Yusuf Datti Baba Ahmed for Vice President under Labour Party LP, where dem draw Mama, Papa and Pikin. This message is brought to you by the Diaspora Medics for Good Governance and announced by Up North Ambassadors for Peter Obi. Labour Party, for whatever, backward never.